Today, we're going to learn how to tie ridge lines and guidelines. So, if you might have noticed that these ropes are present in your bag with a buckle on top here. So these are actually ridge lines or guidelines depending on your type of tent, and they're used to secure your tent further. Now, how would you use them? First of all, if you've noticed, there are these loops all around the four corners of your tent. Take one ridge line and tie a bowline knot around the loop. Now, once you got the bowline, you can hold this, and you can pull you see how there are three holes here? Take the hole that's closest to the end of the rope and then pull the rope through here. Now, to use it successfully, you can put a peg down here at a 45-degree angle, as we learned earlier, at a diagonal from the tent. So as you see, I'm not really diagonal, so I should move here. And now you just press it in. Afterwards, you can use the buckle to further tighten it by pulling on the second hole here again. Once it's tight enough, you can move on and work on all four corners until you're done. And that's how the ridge lines look.